Hey, welcome to my channel. My name is Jamie, and in this video I'm going to be showing you what my morning routine looks like while my kids are out on summer break. So this day was the first day of summer vacation, and I woke up around 6:30 a.m. so that I could start my workout by 7. If you guys don't know, I just had a baby about 2 years ago, and I'm still trying to burn off this baby weight. Auntie is about to be 41 this year, so losing the baby weight the third time around has been a little bit more difficult than it was the first 2 times, but I'm gonna get there, I promise. I've just been trying to make sure that I move my body every single day. So I'm either gonna go for a walk or I will put on a YouTube video and then just work out to that. I don't have a gym membership or anything. I don't really feel like it's necessary. When I have a gym membership, I tend to not use it anyway because I don't really like working out in public. So I'll either work out at home or, like I said, I'll just go for a walk. Now moving on to cleaning the kitchen, and to be honest with you guys, the key to me being productive in a day is waking up early enough so that I can get done as much as I can before my kids wake up. Specifically the toddler, because she's the one that's really the problem. Like once she gets up, it's over with for the whole day. On another note, I am interested to know what you guys are doing with your kids for the summer. Like, what's the plan? Are we doing daycare? Are we doing summer camps? Are we doing family vacations? Are we putting them in sports? Like, leave a comment below letting me and the other girlies know what we're doing with our kids this summer. I personally didn't sign my kids up for any activities, like they're not going to any camps or anything like that. We're just trying to be outside. That's the plan. Like we're going to the park, we're going skating, we're going to the movies, we're going out to eat. Like we're just trying to do all the Dallas activities. Like anything there is to do in Dallas, we're going to be doing that this summer. That's the plan. Now moving on to laundry, and per usual, this is my cat Charlie. He's always in my way, but anyway, the key to staying on top of your laundry is to do one load every day. There's 5 people in my house, and I don't have the time or the energy to do laundry once a week, so it's so much easier if I just do one load each day. I can stay on top of it. I do have a party rental business called Glam Event Rental, and I had a booking this day for tables and chairs, so I'm outside getting them wiped down because my customer was going to be coming in about an hour, and then as soon as I started taking the tables down, yeah, that happened. But I was able to get them all picked back up and everything was good, but I did contemplate my career choice. So I finally get to take my shower, but at this point I only had about 15 minutes before I needed to start work, so I'm rushing to hurry up and get downstairs so that I can log in. I do work part-time in addition to me having my party rental business, so today was a work day for me. So I'm just trying to get a few things done before my kids wake up. And just like that, here comes the baby. She just woke up, and I love our little morning cuddles, even if I am sitting at my work desk, but it's still the best. This is the best part of working from home because you still get to be around your kids. Like that is amazing. Just the fact that I don't have to go into an office and be away from my kids, and I can actually be there to raise them and watch them grow up, that's the best. Now that the baby's up, I'm gonna go ahead and take my 15-minute break and use that to cook breakfast for them. So I'm just gonna take some turkey bacon, pop that in the oven, and fry them some eggs. And then they have these French toast sticks. I don't even know what they're called, but anyway, they're microwavable. So I'm gonna pop those in the microwave, cut up some strawberries, and that's breakfast. The baby's been having a little bit of a cold, like sneezing, runny nose, and stuff like that. So I'm just giving her some vitamin C and some zinc to help her to hurry up and get over it. Now, I don't know why I put her in her high chair. Well, I know why. I like her in her high chair because it's less of a mess. But she hates the high chair. Like, she's over it. She's a big girl now. She has her own table. So the high chair lasted for all of 5 minutes, and now she's at her table in her playroom. But anyway, thank you guys so much for watching my video. If you made it to the end, give the video a thumbs up, please. And if you want to see more from me, go ahead and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys in the next video.